Now let's look at the primitives option. If we click on that, these are the 3D shapes that are already made for us to use. So if I click on box, notice how I've got my 3 planes that appear. I'll just click on a starting point anywhere on my plane. Again, I can type in the dimensions to this 3D rectangle I'm going to create. So I can type in 55, tab, hit the tab button on your keyboard. Then you'll see it moves to the second dimension, and I can click 90, or I can write 90 on this, then click enter, and there I've got my rectangle. But notice with the primitives, it automatically gives me the option to move the scroller upwards to get the depth or the height that I want. Notice that you can do this visually and by moving it up or down, or you can type in a value of your choice. So let's say 80, and there we've got our nice little 3D rectangle. Let's have a look at some of the others. Let's look at the cylinder. Click anywhere on our shape, and again you can visually do this, or you can type 15 and just click the manipulator up, and you can drag it either in or out, and then when you're happy just let go. Let's do that again. Click, click, and then just create your little cylinders. Let's look at the cone. Similar to the circle, you create your diameter that you're after, and then you can use the manipulator to drag out as far as you like. Let's look at the sphere. So straight away you can just create a sphere that you like. Let's go to a torus, which really is just a donut shape. There you go, you create a donut. And we got pyramid. And let's do the last one, which is a polyhedron. So polyhedron is a nice abstract type shape. You can have a play with that, but there you go. Pretty straightforward. Just have a play with them and have a bit of fun. Remember, you can always Control Z to undo, or up here you can redo at the top. Don't forget the push-pull tool, which we looked at earlier. That allows you to pick a particular face, for example here on the triangle, and let's see if it lets us pull it out. So it looks a bit of fun. The only downside is that you actually have to have a face to grab. So for example, for the sphere, all it's going to do is scale it up and down. So have a play with that and see how you go.